Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. I am just popping on today really quick in between these classes, just share with you this little product that I got in the mail. So, I went online. I was looking to see who made custom stamps, and I found this company called rubberstamps.com, and I'll show you in just a second. So this is what I ordered. I wanted a stamp that I could use on the back of my cards, my handmade cards, as well as, inside journal, on the backs of journals and things of that nature. And so this is what I ordered. Now, let me see. It's my logo. And I'll show you the size of it in just a second. It is about 2 inches long, as you can see here, and 1.25 inches tall. So I'm going to show you the impression that it gave me. Now, of course, this is just a quick little impression that I took, but that's what I designed. I just dropped my logo into their website, and then I used their text feature to add that on there. And so they sent that, and then along with that, I also got this pigment ink, this gold metallic pigment ink. Now it's $3 on their site, but as you can see here, when I ordered it, they gave me, the stamp was $6 and $6, and the ink was $3, and then I think there was some type of a discount that they gave, and I think a new member or something like that. Once you register on their site, get an account, and it's free, obviously. They send you a coupon code, and you can use it towards the purchase of something. So mine was towards that ink, and so that's what I got. And it took $3 off. So my total came to $10, and that was $4 and some odd cents in taxes and shipping. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you in case you are a card maker or, a paper crafter, and you want to have, add that special touch. And then also, don't forget, if you have, if you send out packages, you can stamp that on the outside of your boxes. You can also use this stamp on your, I think on your wrapping, not your wrapping paper, but your tissue paper, things like that. So anyways, I just wanted to pop on and share that with you guys. I'll always share when I run into something and I find it to, one, be cost efficient, and or two, it saves time, I'll pass that along to you. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy that little snippet of information. And until we're back here and get on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.